Welcome to Best of Books. Hello, I'm Timmy and I will be your guide. I have chosen 3 key concepts which we find important for digital living, going behind social platforms, social capital and digital footprints. Van Dijk talks about a 6-bubble diagram for going behind the social media. This is about looking at the unknown sides of social media. Ringgold talks about Playboy as well. Some corporations earn money on your participation online. This is an important concept because when using social media there's a lot of things we need to be aware of. What are the default settings? Who owns the site and content? What are the terms and views? My next concept is social capital. BIAM presents 6 different types of social support online. These are network, emotional, esteem and informational support, tangible aid and helping others to feel needed. Ringgold also thinks social capital is important. He thinks that if you pay it forward you will be more likely to get support from others and you have to pay it back. He thinks that social capital is both something an individual and a group can have and share online to help others or do collective actions. Sharing social capital is awesome. It gives everybody an opportunity to help strangers. It also helps the lonely, needy and others to find support. It gives you an opportunity to be a nerd with your hobbies, like the bronies, and also helps you find answers to embarrassing problems. My last concept is digital footprints. BIAM explains about the importance of storage and replicability. Everything you write and post will be stored forever and may be used again out of context. And Ringgold mentions that the internet never forgets. You leave a set of footprints on the internet that you easily forget. Future employers, dates and new friends might Google you. Remember the happening? Everything you post can and will be used against you. This was my presentation of the most important concepts from the 3 best books in the whole wide world. I love digital living, especially now when I know the most important things. Goodbye everybody.
Created using Powtoon.